Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rohan Shah and welcome to Problem of the Day on Geeksforgeeks. Okay, so what's this problem? It's minimum x XOR of a. Okay, here we could see. And what it is exactly, like here in input, they give us a two variables that we can say a and b, and we need to find one another variable x, where we could see if we convert all this in binary, then binary if we put a XOR of binary of this x and a, then it should be a minimum possible count, and the number of ones in the binary of x and the binary of b, these two should be the same. Okay, so this is the input. Here we could see like 3 and 5. Okay, so binary of 3 is 0 1 1 and 5 is 1 0 1. Okay, then if we put it like in both of the binary, number of ones are seen. So what is the minimum value? If we put the XOR of the same value, like XOR of 0 with 0, then it's 0, 1 with 1, then it's 1. So if we get the binary of 3 with 3, then that's definitely a 0. Okay, so with this we could see like the minimum value of XOR with A is 0. That's correct. And the number of ones in the binary of 3 and binary of 5 is the same. So here the answer is 3. Okay. Okay. Now let's come to the code. Here we could see like I already write this code in Python. Okay. So first what we'll check, we need to compare like get the value which is if we are doing the XOR with A, then it should be a minimum. Then we'll just find the binary of A, and we store that in A, and we just match the count of B, right? Whatever the ones are there in the B, we need to match that. So we just get the counts of B in this store in this variable ones. Okay, and after that we'll just get one empty list. We can say answer, and after that we'll just find like if any of the element in A is 0, then we just put 0 in the answer, and if it is not 0, then we'll check another thing is ones, any positive values are there in ones, like 2 or 3 ones in B. So whatever is there, we can add that much one into the answer this. Okay, and with that we just reduce the ones, and if there is a no ones pending, like two ones are there, count of ones is 2, and if we already added this 2 and still we have anything pending in the binary of A, and we check like there is a no ones, then we'll add a 0. Okay, the same process we are doing that, and the same we are following for all the problems. Okay, after that we'll check here like what is the length, we'll just find another I which give us the length of this answer list. Okay, and as we are using it, we are starting from 0 index, we just reduce with 1. Okay, and after that we need to check like is there any even after this, is there anything pending with ones, like also we have any ones and I which is greater than 0, then we need to check like if there is a 0, then we'll change that to 1 and reduce the 1. Okay, now for more understanding, I write this code in this notepad plus plus with print statements, so that will give us the more understanding. Okay, then let me run this. Okay, here for this 5 and 3, we could see like ones is if we are converting this ones, then we could see for this two ones are there, and binary of this A is 101. Okay, so this is the binary of 5. Okay, and for binary of 3, it's the ones is 2 only. So in the first two, we could see like this value of this 1 is goes into the loop, and we are checking here, right? Okay, it is not 0, it is 1. Okay, then we'll just add one element in answer, then we will come to the another for loop. Here we could see 0 is there, right? So if 0 is there, then we'll just simply add that 0, and again the for the third element we could see it 1 is there. Okay, and 1 is there, then we'll come into this ones, and we'll add that one into the array of this answer. Okay, and at the end we could see like okay, now whenever we add ones, we are reducing this variable one, whatever the count. So two times we add ones, and the count of ones is 2 only in the B. Okay, so we reduce that. So after that we don't have anything pending for this another loop. So So this is the final answer. Okay, so for this we could say like 101. Okay, so we just remove this space from that, and we just again convert this binary into the number format. So if we are doing this 101, this is nothing but the value of if we are converting this binary into the value, then it is 5 only. So here we could see it is whatever the answer is there is it's 5. Now if we are checking here in problem, the input is 3 and 5. Okay, here I am giving the let me change this input. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. Okay, and the same if we are changing here and checking, the same here we are getting like we are getting the only this 2 times 1 into the answer, and after that we are getting like number of ones is 2 only, then those two are added, and after that we get the answer is 3. So binary of 3 is 1 1, so it's 3. The same way if we are checking another test case satisfy like given here 7 and 12. So let me change it to 7 and 12. 7 and 12. Okay, here also we could see like for this 12, 3 ones are there. Sorry, for 7, 3 ones are there, and for 12, if we convert this in binary, then we'll get only 2 ones. Yeah, first one and follow we are going, and that is added to the answer. Then again we'll check the second value is 1, that is also we are checking and going into the follow and it is added. But when we are checking the third, we are come into this, but we could see ones are not there. One, the count of 1 is only 2, so we can add just 2 times 1 here. Okay, so we just go into the else and we'll add this 0 here. Now we got the answer is 110. So if we are converting this 110 into the binary, then we'll get this value 6 here. Okay, so this is the same what they are giving. Yeah, correct. Okay, so here the output is 6. The same is there, and same I write here in this answer also. Let's compile it. Okay, it's compiling. Okay, okay, so for the first test case everything is fine, it's satisfied. Let's submit it. And 252 test cases are there. Okay, all the test cases satisfies fine, and we could say everything is fine with this. No time limit exit. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and stick to my YouTube channel for more learning. Every day is problem of the day on